video, we are going to see about domino logic and dual rail domino. Dynamic gates sharing the same clock cannot be directly connected. This problem is often overcome with dynamo logic. Dynamo logic is a CMOS based evolution of the dynamic logic techniques based on either PMOS or NMOS transistor. It allows rail-to-rail logic swing. It was developed to speed up the circuits. Follow dynamic stage with inverting static gate. Dynamic or static pair is called dynamo gate. Produces monotonic outputs. The monotonicity requirement is the basic disadvantage of the dynamic circuit. Here the dynamo logic is overcome to that disadvantage. Here domino optimizations. Each domino gates triggers next one like a string of dominoes toppling over. Gates evaluate sequentially but pre-charge in parallel. Thus, evaluation is more critical than pre-charge. High skewed static gates can perform logic. These are the skewed and dynamo gates to perform the 8 input multiplexer built from 2 input dynamic multiplexer. Some logic features of dynamo circuits. They have smaller areas than conventional CMOS logic. Parasitic capacitance are smaller so that higher operating speed are possible. To get higher operating speed, we have to control parasitic capacitance and also increase the logical effort. Operation is free of glitches as each gate can make only one transition. Only non-inverting structure are possible because of the presence of inverting buffer. Charge distribution may be a problem. Next one is the keepers. Dynamic circuit also suffer from charge leakage on the dynamic node and have poor input noise margin. The dynamic node floats high during evaluation. Transistor are leaky, I of not equal to 0. Dynamic value will leak away over time. Formerly milliseconds, now nanoseconds. It been a bigger threat to the circuits. Both leakage and noise margin problems can be addressed by adding a keeper circuit. A keeper is denoted in this image. You can note it down. The keeper is a weak transistor that holds the output at the correct level when it would otherwise float. The keeper must be strong enough to compensate for any leakage current drawn when the output is floating and the pull down stack is off. For small dynamic gates, the keeper must be weaker than a minimum sized transistor. Use keeper to hold dynamic node. Must be weaker enough not to fight evaluation. Next one is charge sharing. Dynamic gates suffer from charge sharing. The charge sharing can be overcome by add secondary pre-charge transistors. Typically need to pre-charge every other node. Big load capacitance CY helps as well. Here the secondary pre-charge transistor is noted. Next one is dual rail domino. Dual rail domino gates encoded each signal with a pair of wires. Dual rail domino gates accept both true and complementary inputs and compute both true and complementary outputs. Dual rail domino is a complete logic family in that it can compute all inverting and non-inverting logic functions. However, it requires more area, wiring and power. Domino only performs non-inverting functions and or but not an and nor and XOR. But dual rail domino solve this problem and accepts both true and complementary inputs and also inverting and non-inverting functions. Takes true and complementary inputs and produces true and complementary outputs. Dual rail domino signals not only the result of a computation but also indicates when the computation is done. Before computation completes, both rails are pre-charged. When the computation completes, one rail will be asserted. Here is the truth table of the dual rail domino. Sign is high and sign is low, meaning pre-charged. If both the sign is 0 means the operation is in pre-charged. The sign is 0 and 1 0 means 0 and 1 respectively. The summary of the domino circuits. Domino logic is attractive for high-speed circuits, 1.5 to 2x faster than static CMOS. But many challenges: monotonicity, leakage, charge sharing, noise, and high dynamic power. We can overcome the leakage problem by using keeper circuit, and charge sharing problem by using secondary keeper transistor, widely used in high performance microprocessors. These are the applications of dynamo circuits. Thank you.